The Harwin Flecto Floating Connectors, available from Avnet Abacus, enable multiple board-to-board connections with proper alignment. The board-to-board floating connectors offer up to 160 contacts in a symmetrical double-row layout, supporting signal, power, and mixed signal and power connections, making these connectors ideal for factory automation, electric vehicles, LED displays, and security cameras. The floating connector design allows movement in all three axes for location tolerances up to 0.8 millimeters from centerline during and after mating to eliminate side loading and maintain contact force over time. Location pegs with SMT hold-downs and through-bore power pins increase mechanical strength. Harwin Flecto floating connectors are available in 3 fine pitch options with board-to-board heights from 5.98 to 29.9 millimeters. The high temperature rated housing is RoHS compliant and available in tape and reel for high volume surface mount assembly. Making ideas reality. Avnet Abacus, Harwin. Discover now.